back to our channel. It's your girl Tremina.
Your boy, come on.
What's good, y'all? We are back with another video. I got my wife in the building, again, so she's gonna join us today. I miss y'all so much.
My auntie was sick.
I've been off the planet for the past 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I had the flu, so I'm back. I'm better, and we are back into another video. So today, what we doing?
The Wallberry Challenge. Yeah.
So I've been seeing this on YouTube a lot. I don't know how it works. We're just gonna read the directions and go. I guess you're supposed to eat this. So you're supposed to eat it, and it helps the sour food taste sweeter. So we're gonna be the judge of that, because I don't know. I ain't never heard anything like this before. So I read about it, and it said it helps people who are in like the fitness world, and it helps them with drinking their protein shakes, and it helps them drink it, and then it goes down a bit smoother because it's a little bit sweeter. So we're gonna be the judge of that. Y'all ready to hop into it?
Yeah.
So my wife is like a picky eater, y'all. So this whole plate she will not touch any day. We have grapefruit, kiwi, lemon, limes, and aloe vera, y'all. Aloe vera. So when I was cutting that, it was sticky and slimy. I don't know how people put that in their mouths, but we're gonna try it. Okay. So the instructions, y'all, said remove both halves of the berry from package and place into your mouth. Chew for 30 seconds, moving the berry around your mouth. So chew the pills, don't swallow it. Chew it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
Do not swallow.
Okay.
And then swallow the berry after 30 seconds and enjoy the new sweet taste you get from sour food. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it looks like a dried up grape cut in half.
Like this?
Looks nasty.
It does look nasty. Yeah. It looked like a little baby coconut.
Yeah, that's
all right.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me do the timer.
Don't swallow. You're chewing it for 30 seconds.
Okay. And then you swallow it?
And then you swallow it.
Okay, when the timer says 30, I'll say stop. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go. You. Whose idea was this? 10 more seconds. Okay.
Wow. So we just got water in this cup, y'all. Nothing special. Can put this out the way.
Oh my god, so good. That was so good.
The taste when you first put it in your mouth.
I feel like I'm not gonna taste anything but the real food.
What you mean?
I don't feel like there's no coating over my mouth.
So you're saying that you can still taste the natural taste of it,
yeah.
the regular taste? It's like it was sour, and then it tastes like cardboard. But it was hard not to swallow. Like it was just going down my throat.
Let's see if my water tastes like wild berry.
Babe, it's supposed to help sour food taste sweet. What it tastes like? Just like Wawa, right?
No.
It just feels like I ate a grape seed. Like,
okay.
It's on my teeth. All right.
I can't even.
She don't like none of this, y'all.
I can't.
Well, do you want to try the nastiest stuff first, like the aloe vera, and then So the aloe vera, I don't know if y'all ever had it before, but it's like a bitter taste, and it's look at it. It's supposed to be bitter. I know. Try and say that. I'm sorry. Grab y'all stuff. I don't want to put my hands on it.
It's so slippery.
I can't.
Oh my god.
It's a little
Babe,
slippery.
grab one. It's okay.
I need a small piece.
No. We're gonna put the whole thing in our
No,
mouth.
we're not. I'm taking a bite.
I'm taking a bite.
This
What if
looks
it's sweet? What if it's really
It
good?
looks
Would y'all?
like a booger.
She ain't never. She ain't never had this before. All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't.
It's not sweet. Did we do it right?
No, it tastes.
Ew. Oh my god.
That's not the right thing. I taste all the bitter.
What?
That's mine. Water.
That's gross.
No, this is mine. It's over here.
That was gross. I taste like.
That was not sweet, y'all.
I taste. What is that? Ugh.
It's so gross.
Oh.
It tastes like medicine in my mouth.
It tastes like Robitussin.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god.
NyQuil.
No.
It tastes like boogers.
It tastes
How
like.
you know what
I'm just
boogers
kidding,
taste
I'm
like?
just kidding. It looks like boogers though.
This ain't working. Did we
No.
do something wrong?
We didn't do something right because that is not.
We
no.
chew for 30 seconds. Did y'all move it around y'all's mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like,
I don't taste no sweetness. So whoever did this challenge lied.
then let's do this one.
Which one?
You
This
lied.
one.
Ew.
Let's do the lemon.
That aloe vera. Ugh.
I'm
I need
not.
a kiwi.
Well, kiwis are usually. Well, let's do the lemon. Hold on. Is it sweet?
I didn't taste it yet.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Oh, that was good.
That's sweet.
That
was good.
So this one worked. It tastes like lemonade with sugar in it that needs more sugar. That's not bad. But you can still taste the sour at the end.
Taste. That was good though.
Okay.
I was supposed to put aloe vera in there. You just threw that in there.
No.
Yes, you did. You just wanted to throw that
No.
in there.
I've seen people do the aloe vera.
You just wanted to make us eat that.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Maybe we can try that at the end again. Maybe it didn't switch all the way through. Yes.
I'll try that again.
Y'all want to do the kiwi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take it.
Okay. 1,
2.
3. Mmm.
Mmm.
That's sweet.
That's sweet.
Maybe it came sweet already. That's really sweet. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's do grapefruit. Give that one to Auntie J, the little one.
Don't put your hand. Ew, it has all that stuff on it.
That's nasty. Like, why is
Dip
it
it in
slimy
my
like
water.
that?
Rinse it off with my water.
Ew, you're gross.
Ew, what did you just do?
I
She
dipped
just-
it in my water. It was still on there.
It's okay.
It's not okay. That thing was nasty.
Sit down, can't see you.
Okay, there. Oh my god. I got
Hold on.
that.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all on there.
All right.
Okay, 1, 2.
2, 3.
Mmm.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
I like it. Have you ever had grapefruit before?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. That's good.
Oh my god. Mmm.
I'm still traumatized by that first one.
She's traumatized.
And my water's.
I was hoping that would taste good. I heard it's supposed to be good for you. Like, you know, they put that on their skin and their hair and stuff like that.
And you want to eat it?
You can eat aloe vera.
Ew. You did it on purpose.
No.
Yes, you did. You did it on purpose. That's
Like
my
other
first.
But I'm saying,
other things work so there's like
I don't know.
What?
That's what I'm saying. Like, let's try the aloe vera again at the end. Or
Y'all
can we?
can.
Let's try it again.
Y'all can. No, let's finish it.
Let's do
Okay.
the limes. Okay, let's do the lime.
Oh, this has it on it too.
1, 2, 3. 1.
It's sweeter. It's still sour, but it's sweet.
Yeah. It's burning my lip.
It ain't sour like how it should be. What did she do?
I said it burnt my lip.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's.
It's good.
But it's sweet. You know what I'm saying? Like, it worked.
Yeah.
All right, let's try the aloe vera again.
You guys go.
Come on, babe.
No, it tastes like... I can't even describe.
Do it for the squad.
I can't even describe.
You're not a savage.
You're not a savage.
Come on, I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, you let me know.
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try a different piece, y'all. Maybe that piece was defected. Oh my god.
Stop it.
No, stop.
All right.
One, two, three.
I mean, no.
Okay, yeah.
It tastes like soap in my mouth.
How do you know what soap tastes like?
Hold on, like I feel like.
You tried it. And look, you still chewing it. That's gross.
No, cause I feel like I can.
Can I have another napkin? Ew. Ew.
I can taste it, though.
It's like bitter. Like, is it sweet? Am I?
I'm not trying because
I'm eating this.
Like kiwi.
I'm eating this.
So I guess it only worked. So it does work, but I guess it didn't work on the aloe vera because I swear, babe, I saw somebody eating it.
I think that's a lie.
I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna show her.
That's a lie.
Somebody was eating it. Sass ASMR eats her aloe vera, and she said it was sweet. That's why I wanted to try that. But I guess it didn't. I don't know if I don't know.
That tastes like suntan lotion in your mouth.
Ew.
How do you know?
Why?
Because that's what it just tasted like.
It tastes like.
know?
Don't ask me.
You
It
tasted
just tastes
soap? Ew.
a bitter
Yeah.
taste.
Ew, you tasted soap?
Yeah. Why would I taste soap?
Ew.
But it
wash
definitely
my
did work. I will tell you that.
On the normal stuff.
So that's interesting.
Smash that thumbs up button.
Don't forget to comment and subscribe, y'all. Hit the bell so that y'all are notified when we upload a new video. I apologize. It's been 2 weeks, but we will come. We'll come back with another video. What are you doing?
He's telling you it.
All right, fam bam. Until the next video.
We're out.